What is going on, you guys? Big Z here from the Pinnacle, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to summon, yes, summon, how to summon the Bookmarks Manager using your keyboard on a Mac, of course, okay, because I am using the MacBook Pro. So how do you do that? You can do it one way. It's like you go up here and then click on Bookmarks Manager, or, well, I mean, anyone can do that, right? But let's do it the Big Z way, okay? So you're gonna press Option, Command, and B. Okay, yeah. So Option, Command, and B, and just like that, the Bookmarks Manager is here. Ye, right? Bookmark Manager. It's the same thing. And then you can delete and stuff, right? You can right-click on this one, this folder here, and you rename it or delete it, and all those things. But that's not the point. The point is, how do you summon the Bookmarks Manager? Just like that, right? So Option or the Alt key, Command, and B. There you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? I hope this makes sense to you all. Any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my video, and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.